Okay, so I'm sewing this from the inside and I'm just winging it, but I'm going along the inside of the seam that I kind of outlined with the shirt, and I'm not tucking in any of the corners because I'm gonna see what it happens like if I have a loose rough edge. So I'm kind of going for that distressed handmade look, also called Lazy Girl 2000. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so I finished sewing it on, and now I need to cut the excess strings, and obviously I'm not gonna leave it like this because it's kind of lame. I'm gonna cut the excess and see what happens. Okay, so real talk here, kind of messed up, but looks pretty okay. And you know, that's the thing with upcycling, it's like nobody's literally, not a single person is going to notice this except me. So this is what it looks like now. When you look up close where I messed up, I cut a little bit too much off on this side, and you just want to make sure you leave enough overhang so that you're not seeing the difference. And I could have like folded this and shaped it perfectly, but I didn't. And I also, because I'm not probably ever going to do that. And then I also made sure I sewed on the inside here so that this weird belt thing in the back that literally does nothing unless you're a small child and you need it to be a triple XS. All right, okay, I'm just gonna stop talking about it and I'm gonna try it on and you're gonna tell me what you think. Alright, so that's the reveal. Thank you guys for watching this video and me attempting to pose within the frame in my nice lip sweat. Blessings. One more thing to remember, like it really doesn't have to be perfect. Your projects don't need to be perfect at all, because that's not the point. Life is not about perfection, and the people that make life about perfection end up creating themselves a crap ton of suffering. And like, it seems as if perfection is the obstacle block between us and authentic creativity, because we're constantly consumed by what other people think. Because who defined perfection for you? Where did you even gain that notion or the description or the guidelines of what perfection is? Probably you got it from a broken society, but